Hey everyone, it's Chris at the Artifact Studio, and we're continuing a series that we're calling Material Parables, where we take a look at objects that have utility but also an interesting story behind them. And today I wanted to talk about our Dopp kit that we just made another batch of in upcycled World War II era shelter half material. And so what is shelter half? I brought one down to give you a reference, but what this is it's half of a shelter. It's a pup tent, which is like an A-framed shelter, and each soldier was responsible for carrying one half of them with their field equipment. Today, they're obsolete. They're made out of about a 10-ounce canvas, and outside of like a painter's drop cloth, people just don't have a use for them anymore. So what we like to do is we find them, and they're in various states of use. And when they've got holes or repairs or things that need to be repaired, we repair them to give the bag a little character. And here's an example of one of the latest batches that we made where we did these are called rigger repairs, where you can see we back behind it with another piece of that material and then zigzag sew over that. And it's really, I think it's very artful and gives it a lot of personality. So other features of this bag, we lined it with Japanese sourced duck hunter material that's in a nylon. And it's nice, water resistant. We've got a YKK zipper with Horween leather zipper pull and side panels here. And this Horween leather, it's like their Chrome XL product, but it's a product called Dublin, which has a beautiful hand, beautiful pull up, but it's also vegetable tan, so the scrap or waste pieces that we have, whatever's left, it can be composted. So that is this is a useful product that's got many more years of use, and it's got a cool story and back history to it. Thanks for watching.